Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be talking about cloud-based VDRs for cryptocurrency and blockchain projects. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about cloud-based VDRs or virtual data rooms for cryptocurrency and blockchain projects. So let's start. Intro. Cloud-based VDRs are secure online repositories that can be used to store and share sensitive documents with potential investors, buyers, and other stockholders. They are becoming increasingly popular for cryptocurrency and blockchain projects because they offer a number of advantages over traditional methods of document sharing such as email and file transfer service. Benefits of using cloud-based VDRs for cryptocurrency and blockchain projects. There are a number of benefits to using cloud-based VDRs for cryptocurrency and blockchain projects, including security. Cloud-based VDRs use the latest security technologies to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and theft. This is important to protect confidential information such as white papers, technical specification, and financial data. Compliance. Cloud-based VDRs can help cryptocurrency and blockchain projects to comply with industry regulation such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). This is important for protecting the privacy of personal data and for avoiding costly fines. Efficiency. Cloud-based VDRs can help to improve the efficiency of the due diligence process by providing a central location to store and share all of the relevant documents. This can save time and effort for both cryptocurrency and blockchain projects and their potential investor and buyers. Reduce cost. Cloud-based VDRs can help to reduce the cost associated with cryptocurrency and blockchain projects by eliminating the need for travel and by providing a secure way to share documents electronically. That's it. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.